Good morning everyone. I am Manoj Kumar. Today we discuss about square matrix and type of square matrix. Let's start the definition of square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix A equals to Aij M cross N is said to be a square matrix if M equals to N, that is the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, that is A is equal to A11 A12 A1n A2n A21 A22 A2n an1 an2 an. This is the square matrix. Point is that order of square matrix is denoted by n cross n or n. Example, E is equal to 2 3 4 5 0 6 3 minus 2 5. This is 3 cross 3 square matrix. 3 cross 3 square matrix. Now types of square matrix. Types of square matrix. Type of square matrix. First, upper triangular. Upper triangular matrix. A matrix. A square matrix A n cross n is said to be upper triangular if Ai is equals to 0 for all I greater than j. That is, यहाँ से लिखते हैं, that is A is equal to A11 A12 A1n. This is 0 A22 A2n. Similar here 0 0 a n n. This is upper triangular. Examples: a is equal to 2 3 1 0 5 7 0 0 3. This is 3 cross 3 upper triangular matrix. Write down and we discuss about lower triangular matrix. Now erase it and we discuss about lower triangular matrix. Second type of square matrix, that is lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n is said to be lower triangular if Aij equal to 0 for all I less than j, strictly less than j. That is A is equal to A11 A0 0 A21 0 0 no sorry A22. Similar an1 an2 an like here. This is n cross n matrix. Example: E is equal to, चलो यहाँ से हुआ 2 0 0 4 3 0 5 6 3. This is the 3 cross 3 upper triangular lower triangular matrix. Now we discuss about diagonal matrix. Third, this is important. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if Aij equal to 0 for all I not equal to j. That is A is equal to A11 0 dot dot 0 0 A22 dot dot 0 0 0 A33 dot dot 0 similar 0 0 0 AN n cross n. This is also denoted by diagonal A11 A22 dot 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 ANN. Example: A is equal to 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 4. This is 3 cross 3. Now we discuss define scalar matrix for number. Scalar matrix. This is a special types of. This is a special case of diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix. A square matrix is equal to Aij n cross n is set to be scalar matrix if its all the elements of principal diagonal are equal and non-diagonal elements are 0. That is A is equal to A00 0 A dot 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 0 similar 0 0 A similar yes n cross n. That is example: A is equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 3 cross 3. So we discuss this is a scalar matrix, diagonal matrix and lower triangular matrix. This is we discuss about next lecture about identity matrix and some special case of diagonal matrix and scalar matrix in important properties of scalar matrix and diagonal matrix. So thank you everyone.